This is Juniper Lane in Levant. It's a new complex that was just recently built. Juniper Lane is off Kenduskeag Avenue in Levant. And we're going to look at a unit in building number 12, which is the last building that was just finished here. It's actually brand new and no tenants have moved in yet, so we're going to look at one of the units that was just finished. This is unit number C. These are 2-bedroom units, townhouse style. There are 2 stories. They have the living area downstairs and the bedrooms are upstairs. So this is the kitchen. Let's see here. Here we go. The flooring here is the wood, vinyl clip plank flooring. Very durable, easy clean. These do have real granite countertops. Nice stainless appliances. And this does have radiant heat, which means that the heat is through hot water piping, which is in the flooring. It's really, really nice. It's comfortable on the feet. It does work really well. Also means that you don't have baseboard pipes or baseboard vents along the walls, so that you don't have to worry about running into those or putting your furniture up against the walls. It does have a nice backyard. Very private out here. It's all kind of country. A lot of green space. And there's a little bit of crust rock out here, so you can have a patio. Have a gas grill, maybe a patio set. And that is off the living room area. Over in this section, you do have a really good sized closet. It goes under the stairs. Behind that panel is the coaxial cable hookups. So that's where it is all wired for coaxial cable, and that's where they would hook them up when you needed to have them come and do that. And this has a downstairs bath. It also comes with washer dryer hookups in the bathroom. There's also a full bath on the second floor along with 2 bedrooms. Also a nice pantry area here. Little space here if you want to put a boot tray or maybe a coat rack or something like that. And then on the upstairs level, again you have 2 bedrooms, full bath. The bedrooms are actually pretty decent size. And there's lots of closet space. On the second floor, you don't have radiant heat. You do have baseboard, hot water baseboard heat. This is the full bath. Has a nice granite countertop with a 2-basin sink, which is really nice. We have a good-sized linen closet right here. Also, the decor is pretty nice. It's not your flat white. It does have kind of dove gray walls, some white trim, and also the doors are a little bit of a darker gray, so gives a little bit of character. Nicer high-end finishes. This is the bedroom number 2, the second bedroom. Really good size. You could get a queen-size bed in here, plus some furniture. Has a closet, which is a good size too. And then the master is a really good size, king size bed, no problem. Also have dual heat zones, so you have a heat zone for upstairs and downstairs. You do have some really, really good sized closets. This is a walk-in closet here. And then on the other side, another really good sized closet. This has some very unique usable shelving. Some lesser used things up at the top shelf, and then really nice shelves there, and then plenty of space. This is nice and deep. So again, very spacious master bedroom. And no carpet anywhere. There's some little carpet pieces on the stairs to minimize sound, but other than that, it's all the vinyl plank click flooring. Very durable and easy care. Again, this is Juniper Lane in Levant. It's off the Kentuskeg Road. Not far from the 5-way intersection. Very, very good location. Again, it's very quiet out here. These units are brand new. Most of the units here are pretty new, only 2 or 3 years old. Very nice high-end appliances. If you're interested, give us a call at 207-974-6606 or visit our website at rentbangor.com.